Taoiseach,
it's now a year and 5 months since Katie Hannon's documentary on the Women of Honour. An inquiry was set up. I understand that Judge Bronagh O'Hanlon has completed that inquiry. I understand the report has been given to the government. Given the lapse of time, can you clarify today when the report will be published? Trust is of the essence.
The chair of the independent review group, Ms Justice Bronagh O'Hanlon, submitted the final report to the Taoiseach Minister for Defence and Foreign Affairs on the 2nd of February, so only last week or two. The Taoiseach has indicated that he's considering the report in full consultation with the Attorney General. Thereafter, he'll bring the report to government for consideration and further engagement with stakeholders. It's imperative that the current workplace culture is fully aligned with the principles of dignity, equality, mutual respect and duty of care for every member of the Defence Forces, and this report will help us to transform our Defence Forces in that regard.